What if I told you that the moment you say, I know Brahman, you have already lost it? The true wisdom lies in a mysterious paradox. I know and I do not know. In the second mantra of second part of Kena Upanishad, the student makes a stunning declaration and says, I do not think I know Brahman well enough. Not that I do not know, I know and I do not know as well. What does that mean? How can someone both know and not know at the same time? Is this just a riddle? Or is this the very way or the key to the higher level of consciousness? In the previous video, we have discussed about the first slope of Kena Upanishad. That means the first slope of the second part of Kena Upanishad, where the teacher says, if you think you know Brahman fully, then you certainly do not know. Why? Because Brahman, the absolute reality, is not an object you can grab, level, and store in your mental cabinet. It's not like knowing a fruit or a formula. The student responds not with arrogance, but with profound insight and says, I do not know fully, but I do not know, but I do not fully not know either. I know something, but what I know is that the ultimate is beyond knowing. This is spiritual humility, not ignorance. This is not confusion. This is clarity born or realization. The Upanishad says, He among us who understand these utterances, he alone knows Brahman. Why? Because Brahman cannot be known in the way we know different types of object. It is to be realized. To say, I fully know, is to reduce the infinite to the finite. The real knower of the Brahman is the one who knows the Brahman is beyond knowing and yet feels it in every breath, every silence, and in every heartbeat. True knowledge is not possession, it is participation. It is not about grasping the truth, it is about becoming the truth. So the next time you think you know the truth, that you should pause and ask yourself, do I really know? Or am I touching something that cannot be spoken or lived? If you understood something from this video, if you learned something from this video, then kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Namaskar.